The debate over whether a modified car is worth more valuable or less valuable than stock is one of the oldest and most financially contentious arguments in all of car culture. While every enthusiast wants to believe their investment in performance and aesthetics will translate into a higher sale price, the financial reality is often a disappointing lesson in resale value. Generally speaking, modifications are a personal choice and a sunk cost, meaning they rarely recoup their dollar-for-dollar expense. The vast majority of potential buyers are looking for a stock vehicle because it represents a known quantity of quality, reliability, and originality. A factory-fresh car appeals to the widest possible market, making the sales process quick and maximizing the final sale price. This preference for stock increases dramatically when discussing classic cars, where collector value is inextricably tied to the car's originality and verifiable history. When modifications do not use the highest quality parts or lack comprehensive documentation, buyers automatically assume the risk of poor installation and hidden mechanical issues. This perceived risk alone is enough to significantly decrease value, often causing potential buyers to lowball the price or walk away entirely. The buyer is not just purchasing the car. They are inheriting the previous owner's choices, which may not align with their own vision or maintenance tolerance. Certain types of modifications are almost guaranteed to decrease value because they appeal to a highly specific and limited taste. Loud exhaust systems, extreme lowering, non-functional aero, and custom paint or wraps are often cited as major red flags that drastically narrow the buyer pool. The money spent on these personal touches is functionally lost, as the next owner will likely factor in the cost of reversing or replacing them. However, there are crucial exceptions to this rule, particularly within the specialized enthusiast market that appreciates high-quality tuning and engineering. Modifications that address known factory flaws and demonstrably increase reliability, such as the IMS, bearing fix in older Porsche engines, can add perceived value. These preventative performance upgrades give the buyer peace of mind and speak to responsible long-term ownership. Furthermore, a professionally executed Restomod, where a classic chassis is updated with modern running gear, safety, and comfort features, can dramatically increase collector value. These aren't backyard builds. They are high-dollar projects completed by reputable shops, designed to combine vintage aesthetics with modern-day performance and usability. In this niche market, the modified car is valued as a superior product to its factory counterpart. The most pragmatic advice for any owner considering modifications is to always retain and meticulously store all of the original stock parts. Having the ability to easily revert the car to factory originality before a sale gives the owner the best of both worlds: personal enjoyment and the highest possible resale value. This reversibility mitigates the buyer's risk, often serving as the deciding factor in securing a premium price. In conclusion, the answer to the more valuable or less valuable question is driven by market perception rather than the money spent on modifications. While your passion is priceless, the wider market overwhelmingly prefers the integrity and broad appeal of a stock vehicle for its higher collector value. Therefore, Modify for passion and personal enjoyment, but never with the expectation of increasing your car's final selling price. That's it for this episode of the DriveContact podcast, your dose of car culture. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like, and visit our website for more content. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time.